So here I have a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. I'll be changing the cabin air filter. The first one, empty out everything that's inside. Alright, once it's empty, there's this little latch right here. So just go ahead, pop that out, goes down. Now you got these two little knobs here, one on each side. And what you do is you want to squeeze in here on both sides. And now it drops down. And your cabin filter is right up there. Alright. You see that? You're going to pinch and pull out. And it sits in a little slot right there. And boom. And there goes your cabin air filter. You just want to go ahead and slide that one out. This one looks like it hasn't been changed in a while. It's important to change these very often. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out. Alright guys, I got this one here. This is what it should look like. That's what it is. It looks like something was growing in there though. You see all the little like fuzz over there? Maybe a squirrel or something, but there's bugs and all types of things in there. And this is the one I got off of Amazon. Right here, Breathe Easy cabin filter. Part number is on here, some right here. So if you wanna screenshot, get the part number. But yeah, so here we go. Let's go ahead and swap this out and reverse installation. All right guys, you see I popped it back in with the new one. And you want to take this, make sure that notch is that way. See how it goes in there? Just push it in until it clamps in. And this, you go up. Don't forget about having to push that in. See how it hangs there. So now you come here, grab this guy, pop that on, and you're good to go. Perfect.